Hi all, welcome back to forceGalaxy. Hope you are doing good. So now, first of all, would like to thank you all and inform you that now I am back and available for you all. You can schedule your interviews and your calls for doubts and all. Okay. And last week, yes, as I informed you, I was hospitalized because of some health issues, but now feeling much better and back to my work. Okay, and thank you all for all your wishes. Okay, I really feel very glad that I received so many emails, and especially some many of you reach out to me and wish me for my recovery and all. So thank you so much. Okay, so today in this video we're not going to talk much, but would like to inform you, as I have informed you previously, that the for the Salesforce freshers, those who are preparing from the last very long time, the openings are there. Okay, please try to be active on the LinkedIn. Okay, reach out to the HRs. Okay, prepare your resumes and all. Okay, so because interviews has started, as compared to the previous months, you will going to see the openings now. Okay, and on the LinkedIn also, I have myself seen many openings from the zero experience. Okay, so and another thing is, many of you still rely on the admin part only. Okay, please do not do this. Okay, there are many people who are preparing themselves for the development part also, not complete development. Again, I am just asking you for the basic apex. Okay, that is, you must be able to write a basic apex trigger, because the competition is tough. There are many who are looking for the fresher job in the Salesforce. Okay, so if you only going to rely on the admin part, it would be difficult to get a job. So please try to explore yourself on the apex trigger also. That is the most important part to make you separate from this crowd. Okay, and will be increase your chances to get hired. Okay, so apex trigger is the important topic. So as said earlier, apex trigger is the important topic. Okay, just try to work on the connections, try to write the basic apex. Okay, the logical, you should be clear with the logics. Okay, and the approach. And the next thing is, many of you are asking for the classes also. Okay, the development classes. So currently not taking any batch. Okay, but if still you require any classes, or do you need any guidance related to the apex trigger or the development part, either mail me or reach out me to the topmate. You can schedule your call directly from there. Okay, you can discuss your queries, you can discuss your doubts with me. Okay, so and the next thing is, if you are looking for the apex trigger course, you can check out the course from the forceGalaxy website. Okay, the course is there where you can find each and every topic is covered, but there the recordings were available for the previous batch whatever I have took. Okay, you can but the all the topics are covered there, and the scenarios are also there, and if you face any issue or any difficulty, you can reach out to me. Okay, so from there also you can learn the apex trigger. And the next is, I have a request related to the fresher resume. So the next video will be related to the fresher resumes only. Okay, so you can take a look to that video and prepare your resume accordingly. So I will give you an idea what things you can mention there and all. Okay, and the next is the project, Salesforce project. So I will this week, then if not in this week, then most probably in the next week, I will try to share a video in which I will tell you how you can share or explain your project on what you have worked on. Okay, as a fresher, or will try and will give you some dummy projects also, similar kind of, which you can explain to the interviewer. Okay, or will give you the confidence how you can explain it. Okay, so this is what I want to inform you in this video. Okay, and those who want to connect with me or have a query, so in the comment itself I used to share the link from where you can schedule your call and all. Okay, and yes, I am also not sure I will be able to revert all of you over the mail. Okay, so it is better to comment me. Okay, there I can check it easily, because that is the handy thing where I can easily paste the link and share or revert you as per your queries and all. Okay, but yes, I used to miss out the mail, so sorry for this. Okay, but I will try to revert you all. Okay, but if it's still not able to revert you, then you can schedule your calls with me, and then we can discuss the problems and the issues. Okay, so thank you so much. Have a good day.